These new Google Gemini features can start a side hustle, totally free. Imagine waking up tomorrow and being able to start a brand new side hustle without spending a single dollar, without needing any special skills, and without downloading complicated software. Sounds interesting, right? Well, Google just dropped a wave of new Gemini features that make that possible. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use them to earn real money. Stick with me, because what you're about to hear can genuinely change your entire month. So stay tuned, because the tools I'm about to show you are not only powerful, they're completely free. And if you stick around till the end, I'll show you a trick with Gemini that almost no one is talking about yet. A feature that can literally turn any video you find online into a money-making resource. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first. Google Gemini just introduced upgrades that feel like they were designed specifically for creators, freelancers, and side hustlers. These aren't small tweaks. These are full-on business-level tools. And the interesting part? Google is handing them out for free, at least for now. So pay attention, because this window of opportunity won't stay open forever. If you move fast, you can build a side hustle that normally would have cost thousands to get started. Let's start with the one everyone's talking about, Gemini's new video generator called V3. This thing is wild. You type in a prompt, literally any description, and Gemini turns it into an 8-second animated video with sound. Not silent clips, not rough drafts, full visuals with built-in audio. This is the type of upgrade that can flip a side hustle from zero to profit instantly. And here's the best part. Google made it available for all Gemini users temporarily, even those on the free plan. That means you can generate professional-looking promo videos, cinematic shots, or animated sequences without ever touching editing software. Imagine how many businesses would pay for that. You can create social media reels for brands, short ads for small businesses, product showcases for online shops, or even animated micro-content for influencers. And remember, each clip you make could become a paid service. Watch closely. This is where the money starts. Every one of those is a side hustle waiting for you. And V3 gives you the creative power instantly. And just when you think that's impressive, Gemini drops another bomb. Screen sharing and camera vision, now available for free on Android through Gemini Live. This feature lets Gemini literally see what's happening on your screen or in front of your camera and respond intelligently. This is where things get seriously interesting. Imagine doing coaching or consulting sessions where Gemini helps you guide a client through a design, a UI layout, a spreadsheet, a slide deck, anything visual. You can run interactive lessons, offer design critiques, or host productivity coaching sessions, and Gemini becomes your built-in co-assistant. This is next-level leverage. People already pay for personalized coaching, and when you combine your knowledge with Gemini's real-time visuals, you instantly become more valuable than your competition. Now, here's a quieter upgrade that a lot of people missed. Gemini can now handle audio file uploads. Even free accounts can upload up to 10 minutes of audio and use 5 prompts a day with it. Don't skip this part. This tiny feature is a big moneymaker. Why does that matter? Because this turns Gemini into a full podcast assistant or audio content engine. You can take raw audio from a creator, a podcaster, or a business owner, upload it, and Gemini will transcribe it, clean it up, analyze it, summarize it, turn it into show notes, blog posts, social captions, pretty much anything you want. And boom, you've got a new side hustle, podcast repurposing. It's simple, in demand, and creators love paying for it because it saves them hours of work every week. But things get even more interesting when you step into Gemini's personalized AI assistant feature called Gems. These are custom-built AI personalities or assistants that you can design from scratch. Keep watching, because this is one of the most profitable features in the entire update. Want a gym coach that gives meal plans and workout routines? You can build one. Want a small business marketing strategist that creates ad ideas and content strategies? You can build one. Want a writing tutor, a legal explainer, a budgeting coach, a meal planner, or a personal study partner? Build them. You can package Gems as digital products. People are already paying for access to customized AI agents, and Gemini lets you create your own. No coding required. This alone can be an entire side hustle. building and selling AI assistants for specific niches. The personal finance niche, the fitness niche, the parenting niche, all massive, all full of buyers. And just when you think Gemini's done, Google hands out high-quality image generation for free. Users now get access to Gemini 4, one of the most powerful image generators out there. And if that wasn't enough, there's a new model called Nano Banana, which can edit, improve, and generate images with insane detail. For a side hustler, this is gold. You can create social media graphics, logos, product images, posters, digital artwork, and print-on-demand designs. Pause for a second, and imagine how many businesses need this every single day. Imagine running a t-shirt shop without needing to know how to design. Just describe your idea and let Gemini create the artwork. Then upload those designs to Printify, Teespring, or Redbubble, and you've got a passive income machine. And there's a feature inside Gemini 2.5 Flash that almost feels like a cheat code, something people call thinking control. In simple terms, you can adjust how deeply Gemini thinks. Want quick, simple responses? You can set that. Want deep, complex, creative reasoning? You can push Gemini to think more intensely. Why does that matter? Because depending on your side hustle, you may want different kinds of output. If you're building an app or writing code, you want structured, logical thinking. If you're brainstorming viral content ideas, you want creative, free-flowing thinking. Basically, you're tuning Gemini to match your business style, and that gives you a massive advantage over anyone who's not using this feature. So, how does all of this turn into actual income? Let's connect the dots. Imagine starting with VO3. You create short, cinematic, 8-second clips for small businesses. Restaurants, clothing brands, realtors, product sellers. They all need video content. You can charge per clip or offer package deals. Then you combine Gemini 4 and Nano Banana to create graphics, thumbnails, ads, or social content. Boom! Now you're offering full multimedia marketing packages. Next, use Gemini's audio upload feature to help podcasters or YouTubers repurpose their content. That's another income stream. Then build a few gems. One could be a realtor marketing coach. Another could be a YouTube title generator. Another could be a fitness meal planner. You sell access to them. That's passive income. And if you want to level up even more, use the screen sharing feature to offer paid coaching sessions with Gemini assisting you in real time. You're basically creating an entire ecosystem of services powered by free tools. And here's the crazy part. You don't need a big audience. You don't need money. You don't need equipment. Everything you need is inside Gemini. But now it's time for the teaser I promised earlier, the trick almost no one knows about yet. Gemini can take any video on YouTube, analyze it frame by frame, and break it down into actionable ideas, summaries, scripts, business lessons, product breakdowns, pretty much anything. This is the moment where everything clicks. This means you can study trending content, reverse engineer what works, and use that knowledge to create your own content or help clients. For example, you can take a viral TikTok, upload it to Gemini and ask it, turn this into 3 video scripts for small businesses, or turn this into a short-form video for a fitness coach, or create 20 captions from this style. Suddenly, you're not guessing what works. You're using real data to produce content that already has proven success. That alone is powerful enough to build a content agency. These tools are free, powerful, and moving faster than anyone expected. But here's the truth. The gap between people who watch AI change everything and people who profit from it comes down to one thing: action. What you saw today is only the beginning. If you want to turn AI into real income, you need to see what's next. So try these features. Create something today, and drop a comment with the Gemini tool you're excited to use. And if this video opened your eyes, the next one is essential. It's all about how to use AI to make money. It is a must-watch because we are in a digital age, and AI is taking the world so fast that you can imagine. I am sure you don't want to be left out. Click it now. I'll see you there.